house, I beg. Now me James at the talk. Anybody way either for some forum way that Mr. Orana so-called number did I beg una try forward this message to me Rishi. Number Paddy man picking for K Town. I know you time we go do this recruitment. I know you time we come out back and we be know for town say you thief for military. Now they will move you back. But that one is not even the point. Because all man don't thief. They will be here for town so you transact before they discharge you for inside military. Whether you call it which kind of name, name that this struggle moving for military. You come up for military, you can't be for town like for that kind of 3, 4, 5, 6 years. So you start work like indicator. You start work like informer. You start work like man when they go take convocation for police, they can't give because you get open eye for go save some other person. I think that way we do for Kumba, we know you very well. But I think say any man will grow for inside town for Kumba, 90% are wise people. But for your headline, they all hold the radar for inside system. Sorry for tell you, but maybe you make a maybe no truth. You be clear and big time. Some parliament they go stand by for abroad. They gere una for down here. You follow them like clearance. You know the Geja parliament they had the fee free for waka. For say I want Jaka ready. You talk the other day say me wise men for Kumba, they can't join him on and fight this fight. Parliament, I wish you ever see some wise man they hold gun say they go transact. Or wish you ever see some wise man they go hold gun say one go use our force. Wise man use their brain. Now level that for Kumba Pikin. This struggle never harm Kumba plenty now because say plenty Pikin for Kumba their head don't shake. They know the for that kind of nonsense. All the Pikin they around. So you know in the periphery they come up for that side like Mator and different small village. That really Pikin they for inside Kumba, they not for the team. Because all man na headline a background. Any man if I na yari. You know say if Kumba Pikin and self Kumba Pikin they don't grow for the Kumba from. They put them up for the team for on different level. But all my head don't shake. All man also na head we use and forget do. Na wa moto that for Kumba. All thing for na wiseness. You leave yourself clear and them. Wise man like you clear and like that of the other peri card and they jere you. They should don't give order because they give mied yari. Oh boy, you don't represent. Come on for that rubbish, but the man you never still be too late. If I be doing you say that man for those send some background for down here now for that braga vanish. They want to see me and knock that door for work. I say now be this I don't can join on no more they send message for down day. What's that parliament and Jacarende? Where you go there inside pamming for long time, inside wala for different mind on land. Tell me a true. You the gauge agenda so you for your own mind, you say safe. You think anything will ever can work so they feel broke the pay. You think for your mind, maybe say someone tell you they feel broke the pay. Tell me my ear. Respond for my message. My name is James. Send away the send back for me. You think say they go broke the pay? How parliament go stop for work they tell you about United Nations, wise man like you don't be for town, you know what thing they happen. You see the fall for that kind of shit, that kind of trash. Welcome for that nangwe nang so. Check your Jaka them, check your avenue. I would have been a pericare de Giro car for town all man know them. They did for inside level for you. Who knows in a pericare and they like clan and may you be wise man. How come you go for the kind of clan act so per man? You know represent we. Come up for that shit, oh boy. Any man he make life never become happy. Me I begin to know about your descendant. If that man for worker, they know so the thing within confirm hell and wait till they pump for worker. Why they pump for worker? But they come for dying. Oh, join the domo. Oh boy. How you want me to shake your head? Which good man fit join you for the kind of headline? Good for the struggle never go through work pay them baton sur baton. They go home and I will give them a bad name. You come up for a kelebe movie for game. And Jaka they come in and a bastard them. Parliament they remain for back they conjure them. Now so the chicken. Stop all that thing that they talk for this. You be commander general. Wait. You be clearance. Now clearance they take title. We don't deserve that title. For real. Sorry, I tell you one, but the truth that I be a party man. I don't see a hell for town. I don't know if you for the kind craze. You believe for town, you don't know him. Wait to make a come for the kind clear act, oh boy. People don't they for work, they digest their life, then take one plane for one another, go for AC kind places. You don't go pump for a while for inside some kind clear place. Wise man, they talk about juju by the man. So they talk as you can go baptize some boy them. It's a level for darkness. By the man, wise man, they use juju. You don't be wise man. No wise man, no, they take juju for domo or take juju for fine do. Wise man, use my brain. People don't bring hairline. We'll before for inside all the hairline on, bro. They will bend down, we'll gauge fine. We'll check all the parliament and work out all. We can't look at and guess. The men they use now, they want you to take and work down guess. So they'll take and get a budget. Then Janga will come viva more. And our time that same time our own Janga who don't get before Instagram, our own Janga will come be and a beggar for them. Oh boy. Check sense. The hairline want to tell you so. African Union no dede. A Tanzania no dede. Attack another man from Angola. No, if you broke the pay, if never somebody broke the pay, no, wipe that one for your brain. No matter how can hell and with the men if work they give you, now for that self-interest. How you go imagine, say, people that talk say they will not go on, then or you say they go check sense with them. When one or the one talking talks about Ghana, they say Ghana they be fighting for separation, Ghana they be fighting for reform for the educational system. They don't be fighting somebody they broke pay because me Ghana they stop for cabin. You hear no the shake? Or any man will hold iron. Take your river put in a transaka, and any thief man not be wise man. Yes. How you check people they stop for pay, they through some man for internet, bam. That man send and younger than 10 baton. You hold on, they go sleep inside bush, the fight for independence, for liberate our fatherland. Which fatherland? You read history for school. You don't know history. You don't know what they call and say history. Africa be doing a pat. That one they be divided Africa, so you be reading for history, so one black man be there for Berlin Day. Forget all the truth that clear I have the same super request that of the tail. Monkey the way they don't go work code and today they don't know themselves for the ground. Whose place those say Tamara the Gere revolution by the man? Wake up for that now. Come on for that place. Set that very men from Awala, that Niger Delta men, so you see them so they hang for that politician there. Before that politician, they want to engage them, they give them some better share. They give them share. The whole and for that skin, they don't say they go mission the Quara, that Janga they go feel free with that yari. You come over in purpose of clear akwe, you go Quara for the Parazai and Janga they suffer. Check sense, oh boy. You be kumba pikin. Don't leave a make clan they come over on a batty book clan they come over for Kendem, Kankan, Wunde village man even know the name and say can you like see with Anganako. Come over that now. Shake your head, come over that slave, oh boy. No picking for Kumba. Kumba not to take glass, eh? You want bad na draw. Yet I don't tell you no, Kumba not to take glass. You want bad will come on a draw, not to take glass. They don't want to hurt for Kumba now because Kumba picking no day. They don't wise. Kumba picking the blow when no say tip no to pay. The blow when no say strong no to pay. Now what I see for the whole Kumba, if you look at now all the periphery now, 70% has come at them. Because they don't realize the Boluno day. And the Tang Janga they go University of Boya, they still go chukunges. They pay their fees and do kind level them. Saturday for work they send that periphery and do. That periphery not commit crime for that fellow black man. Go sit down for this say make great men of Kumba, they can't follow him on a domo. You realize see who's good man for the kind level. Which good man go put himself for agenda where the story is gone. Good man use nice sense. How comes in a clear and if work they use you now for take and work the yari. You hear they say that parliament they don't embezzle for IG. They don't do so, you still come back again, they still come prison. They jure you like ping pong. But the man, shake your head there. Shake your head. Set that periphery where they for Kassawa farm, they make all things. So most of them they don't turn back. They don't go to the matter, they walk the farm. Because they don't go into that thing, no headline. Come up for that shit, boy. Why is that man they be saying so headline? You discharge for that agenda, go you work up. Me told them for that door for one man come, they tell them say you two don't come. Me own a start down you so when I start that order for down here. If you want by the send that body. Obo na advice I give you, no be insult. By the man. Even if by the man one drop, if by the man is sending finger. If my man, check sense, spirit na one, bro.
Okay, my country people them. That message now.